Look at this bird. He got hit by a car or something, but oh my god.
Shit, dude. Holy shit. It's fucking having a seizure. It's fucking dying, dude.
Oh my god.
Dying, dude. The fucking wing. Oh, what the hell's going on? This is fucking...
Come back to us.
Whoa, shit. Don't go into the light. Don't go into the light, dude.
He's so fucked up.
Dude. Oh, fuck.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I got near it and it went into a panic.
Oh, shit.
He must be.
Should I just stomp on its head?
I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Dude, you should seriously just fucking kill it, dude.
Fuck that. Natural. Let it go natural.
You're gonna let him go in pain.
Yeah, fuck that.